Okay, hello everyone. I'm Andrew Chen. It's good to see you to join this course. Uh, this course is the financial big data analysis, and in this course, you will be like to learn about how to use the SaaS Enterprise Guide and the SaaS Enterprise Miner for analysis the financial data. First of all, we set the SaaS Enterprise Guide. In the SaaS Enterprise Guide, you will be learn to how to query and analyze the data and finally report the your results. So you will be learn to how to work with the enterprise projects. Then you will be understand the SaaS data structure and how to access the data, import the external data files into the SaaS system. Then you will be use the task or wizard to analyze data, such as creating a frequency report, generating the different output format, or creating the listing report, filtering data, and creating the graphs or figures. And in advance, you will be learn about filter and sorting the data to create a new column or variable. Then you will like to grouping and summarize the data. If you have another set table or other data, you will be like to join them together. You can use the join or merge function test in the set, e.g. And then you will be like to analyze the data and show the final results, such as summarize the statistics or the summarize table report. And then finally, you will be combining the result. Then you will update your result to your projects or to your website. So here is some example about the SaaS Enterprise Guide. In SaaS Enterprise Guide, you can see this is one project, and here is a workflow, workflow diagrams, and here is about the data system or file path. And this is we call the workflow diagrams. You can adapt each node by using the task. Here, here's several categories function here to adapt the different analysis about the statistics, include the description, data mining, or the append the table or compare the table, and so on. Here is the example. You can import the one example we call like the original profit test analysis. And here is show the result. Show the result to create the sales report by the customer age group. So you can see here is a bar chart for the customer age group. And the next part is we pull the profit by the customer's type. So here will be just like the table. And here is we pull the profit by the product category summarized. Just like this one. And then you can compile them together into a one profit report, just like this one. In SAS EG, you don't need to any coding, or we call as the low coding. It's easy for learning. The second part we call that is the SAS Enterprise Miner. The SAS Enterprise Miner is just we call that the machine learning or the AI analysis, artificial intelligence analysis. So you may be like to learn how to create the SaaS Enterprise Miner projects to create a library and the workflow diagrams, and you maybe learn about how to define the set data source and how it's plotting the data source if the data has such as a missing value or extreme value. Then you will be like to handle the this extreme value or missing value. Then we will be enter the analysis for the predict model foundation to create decision trees and to choose the best decision trees in your analysis. The next predict model we call the regression. In regression, you will be easy to use the regression analysis to selecting the regression input by the SAS enterprise miner, and you will be like to learn the explain the regression model results. If your model have some missing value or some problem about the statistic, you may be like to transfer the input variable, we call the independent variable, or you will be turning into the cavalry input into the numerical value. Then you will be use the neural network we call the AI to learn about the AI to select the input variable and given the output variable, you will be given try to train the model, and here will be some uh, critical to start the training AI model. And the next part is you will learn to comparing the model. We call that the model assessment. You will be like to choose the best model. So we will be compare the model fit statistic and show the statistic graphs for a model assessment. Then you maybe use the probability matrix to compare then the model. The finally is about the model implementation, just like to create a scope. Okay, so you will be learn how to use the SAS Enterprise Miner to open it. And again, it is easy for you just like to drag and drop and adapt the task of the function in the SAS Enterprise Miner. Okay.